Just 1 tablespoon and your tomato plant will explode with growth overnight. You won't believe how powerful this kitchen trick is. We're talking about two simple things you already have at home: milk and baking soda. Yes, milk, the same one you drink, and baking soda, the white powder you use for cleaning and baking. These two ingredients together are like magic for your tomato plants. Let's break it down. First up, milk. It's not just for bones, it's great for plants too. Milk is full of calcium, and tomatoes love calcium. It helps the plant grow strong stems and prevents blossom end rot, that ugly black spot on tomatoes. But wait, there's more. Milk also has probiotics, good bacteria that keep the plant's leaves healthy. It builds natural resistance to pests and disease. Now add baking soda. Baking soda lowers the acidity in the soil. It also fights fungus and keeps harmful bacteria away. No chemicals, no poison, just safe, clean gardening. Here's how you make the mixture. Take 1 cup of milk, any kind is fine. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix well in a spray bottle. Shake it up until it's fully blended. Now, here's the key. Spray it directly on the tomato plant leaves and around the base of the plant. Do this every 2 weeks. Spray in the morning or evening, not in direct sun, to avoid burning the leaves. Don't just spray, watch the magic happen. Your tomatoes will grow faster, bigger, and healthier. The leaves will be green and strong. The fruits will be juicy and full, and the plant will resist disease naturally. Water your tomatoes deeply once a week, not every day. This helps the roots grow deep and strong. Let the soil dry slightly between watering. This prevents root rot. Always check for bugs or mold. If you see spots on the leaves, spray the milk mixture right away. Have you tried this milk and baking soda method? Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite organic gardening trick? Share it with the community. We all learn better together. So remember, just 1 tablespoon, and your tomato plant could turn into a jungle of fresh, healthy fruit. Try it this week and thank us later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tips that actually work. Happy gardening!